Okay, we go. Hey, sir. Sorry for the delay. So you going to a hotel in Pala? Yeah, I know the place. It's lucky for you. Pala has only one hotel still working. See that place? You won't see any more very soon. It's probably the last one out of this country. Full of rich people. Only money and connections can get you out of it. Bloody idiot. Nobody follows the rules anymore. I told him the plane's gone, but they don't believe me. Everyone thinks the big planes are coming back. Who can say anymore? Sanibonani bashakazi njani? Hey, look at that. I see. Hey, you lose so much fire. It spreads like a virus, that thing. My brother has such a beautiful bungalow with a bar, 3 cattle. Hey, a rich man. A brush fire destroyed everything. And now he left the country. Yeah, he'll be dead.
This is Liberation Radio, speaking the truth for the truth seekers. And the truth is that your country needs you. Beware the evil APR scourge. A plague has gripped our beauty.
They're not fans of the DJ. Maybe his music choices. Who knows?
Ngibona boss amusimela i-checkpoint izolo ne.
Hayi mina mphumzana.
Wena yange emsebenzini la ngiyakwazi. Sikhuluma iqiniso man.
Where are you headed?
My passenger, driving him to the hotel in town.
You come from the airport?
Yes, sir. The airport. Gentlemen, you are posted here all day. On my way back, I grabbed some cold beer. You drink beer?
Yep,
No?
beer. We drink beer. Hurry up then. Move along.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. See you soon, sir. Foreigners. Oh, no offense, sir. These militia, they come into our country, steal everything, and they leave us nothing. A lot of troops nowadays. It's okay, they keep to themselves most of the time. concern you, just boys letting off steam, right? You remember how you... Everyone's trying to find a way out of the country. Only fools stay. Fools and cab drivers. Okay, sir, we are here. We made it alive. Hey, are you okay? You don't look so good. You tired? Long flight.
The target's presence in the state continues to be a destabilizing influence. He's largely responsible for the recent influx of weapons into the country and clear violation of the Joint Signatory Framework. His reputation as a dangerous arms dealer is well deserved. Orders are to terminate. Well, that didn't work out the way they planned. I'm still breathing and you're the one with malaria. You can tell them you tried, but that means fuck all, doesn't it? You're fired. You know it, so do I. You had your shot, but now it's over. And since men like you only work for money, you're no longer my problem. You'll have to find something else to do with yourself now. What your old clients don't seem to understand is that they can't kill me. Do you understand what I'm saying? Nobody kills me. Nobody. I'm the one who decides who lives and who dies. Me. You know, there's a book I read a long time ago. Still think about it every day. It helps me understand life out here. The book talks about men, about what motivates them. Simple, really. A living being seeks above all else to discharge its strength. Life itself is will to power. Nothing else matters. So long.
Mfune phi mfakele truck.
You do first aid before that gets infected. I'm Conqueror, and you're an idiot. Who are you working with? You got some of my guys killed at the hotel, you know that? So now you run errands for me, and I got some things for you to do. Get out here, take what you need. There's ammunition, medicine, whatever. Hurry up. Listen, shit really hit fan back in Pala. There was supposed to be ceasefire, but that's all out the window now. I work for this big shot Gakumba, local boss for United Front. Everyone I've got who knows ass from hole in the ground is out in field fighting the APR. That just leaves you, errand boy. So first thing, you need to get piece of shit automobile back on road. Do you do that, or do you not know ass from hole in ground? Go outside and get the engine running. You know you got malaria, right? So you screw around, you pass out, maybe die. Too bad.
God, open up.
Okay, good. Now that you're mobile, you take out some of the garbage. The APR has forward position half kilometer south of here. If something bad happened to shitheads manning that post, I would be a happy guy. Out good. Okay, I've got another chore for you. But sick guy like you will be falling down in the middle of it. Go to sleep, get resupplied, and move out in a few hours. You're safe at house for now. APR position south of you. Big place used for chicken fights, you know? I want you to perform reconnaissance. There's observation point marked on map. Go there now.
You see anything?
Nothing yet. You?
It's too bloody hot.
Bazongisiza ngimle. I got him! Take him! I'm hit! Damn it! I don't think I can move! Down,
Got your intel. Not bad. You see a bricked up building down there? We think APR's got a hostage in there. Some foreigner like you. Get in there and bust them out. Finish up your recon if you think it'll help.
Hey, get me out of here. I don't belong here. Who the hell are you? Malaria, I know, man. Everybody gets it eventually. I can get you some pills for that. Meet me at Mike's bar later, okay? But let's not hang out right now. I need to find a bush with a little privacy.
Oh, very good. You know you turn out to be competent after all. Fair enough. Guys that do good work get paid. Come on back up to the slaughterhouse and I'll make good on that.
I tell you you're sick, you ignore me. Look what happened. How you survive all these years outside your mother's belly? What's a yubito? Fine. Let me give you a piece of advice. Rough diamonds, only currency worth shit around here. Don't take paper money from nobody. I wouldn't use it for toilet paper. You do work for the UFLL, you get paid in stones. It's okay. One of my guys, not so smart, delivers case of diamonds here yesterday. Dumb fuck sticks case somewhere in the camp and then gets shot in face back in town. Maybe you killed him. Anyway, if you go outside and find the diamonds, they're all yours. Case has tracker you can home in on with your compass. If you're a smart guy, you go buy medicine first thing. Don't be screwing around with malaria. You should go have a drink at Mike's bar. Lots of independent contractors there. Get yourself healthy. Come by the front office in town. I'll introduce you to Kakumba, and then we talk.
Hey, open door.